Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today will be a different type of video. Today we will be reviewing Lunchables. Now, the thing about Lunchables is that you were pretty cool if you were, like a kid in elementary school and you had the Lunchables. Like everybody would be, close to you. So, today I was going to see which Lunchable is better. The extra cheesy pizza or the ultimate deep dish pizza. Now, we're going to be battling these out to see which one is better. So, let's just start with this one. So, it's the extra cheesy pizza. It comes with 1 Capri Sun, 1 Hairhead, and 3 pizzas. And some cheese and some extra cheese and some pizza sauce. So, let's get in. So, you open it up, right? And it has, the pizzas, right? Okay. And then it has Capri Sun. Now, let's make these pizzas. So, let's get this off. Dang, that's pretty satisfying, man. I'll put that right over there. Alright, so you have your crust, right? You have 3, right? Okay. So you lay those down, right? As you can see here, and laying them down. So, and you get an Airhead. We'll just say that is a treat after. You want to have the main meal first before you have dessert. So we got our pizzas, right? You gotta get the sauce. So what do you do? I haven't had a Lunchable in like 4 years, but I do remember being like someone being cool if they had one in like school. So. After you've done that, you want to get some type of scraper. Oh, back in the 90s, they used to have a Lunchables like sauce scraper. But I'm gonna just see, just grab a spoon, Alright, we got our spoon. Now we must spread the sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Should have been Kool-Aid. Actually, I'm pretty sure not in the deep dish one. Actually says that it has Kool-Aid has the oh yeah, I guess feel like oh yeah, Kool-Aid now it's old. But yeah, I'll just spread these like that, right? Okay, just one more, and boom. There we go. So here are our pizza. They look mighty good. Really good. Not really good, but pretty good. So, I'm gonna get some cheese. Just gonna sprinkle some on there, They do this cheese in the bigger proportion because it's better, And then this one. Got one Mamma Mia Pizzeria pizza. So this is gonna be good. I don't think so, but I remember Lunchables being okay when I was just a tiny boy, but just get some of the tabletop cheese on there. You know what I mean? Just. Okay, and then you got also this cheese too. So you just want to get a little bit on there, get some of this cheese in there. Perfect. And you got some here too. Perfect. Now that we did that, we have our pizzas. Wow, it looks great. It doesn't. All right, let's have our first bite. Oh. Oh, that's weird. Exactly how I remember them. Like some people say that if you microwave these, they're actually better. Don't do it. Not bad. The white cheese is better. Very, very like not a lot of protein. Probably none, actually. There's like no protein in this. Alright. That was actually better than I thought it would be. Wow. Okay. Now let's have this caprese. It's called the Pacific Cooler, I guess. I guess that's like a flavor. But yeah, let's have some caprese. I haven't had one of these since like elementary school, probably. Also, would it be weird if told you I can't open this? With a extended board. With a pizza cutter. Right, the pizza cutter actually works. If you don't know how to open straws, a small boy like me, you use pizza cutters. Right? Now let's just poke this in there. Just poke it right. I'm trying to get this careful again, because I don't want to, go right now and poke it in. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that way. Alright, let's just keep trying. Okay, there. Final. Okay. And so we got our caprese. I don't know. It's not that good of a flavor, you know, for a Capri Sun. To be honest, I don't even know what the best flavor is because I don't drink Capri Suns. Let's have this Airhead though. I bet this will be semi-eh. It's fine. I don't really get the mystery flavor though. That concerns me. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this in the pizzas, and we'll get to the next one. So I just got done eating the pizzas, and I made my decisions of where they rank. So the pizza was 5. The Capri Sun was a 7, and then the Airhead was 2, so 14. So 14 points for this extra cheese Lunchable. Now let's get to the next Lunchable. The next Lunchable is a Lunchables Uploaded. I don't know about this. I mean, I have never had one of these uploaded ones. But these seem to actually be like a meal, other than the other Lunchable just being a snack. So, alright, so got water, right? We got Cheez-Its, that's pretty small. We got pizza sauce. We got Kool-Aid singles. It probably goes with the water. We got in a roll-up, a mini roll-up. We got the pizza crust. That's weird. And we have got pepperonis. Okay. Well, you get your drink, right? You get this roll up, you get Cheez-Its, and you get your meal. So let's actually do the meal last. Let's start with the drink. So let's just have the water alone. Warning, do not open with your teeth. It's horrible. Some pretty good water. Now let's add the tropical punch Kool-Aid to it. And I think you just pour the whole thing. This is so bad. This is like, oh my god. There's probably so much sugar in this. It's like unbelievable, probably. But yeah, let's just pour that into there. Ooh, that's cool. It's red. There's a lot of sugar about. I don't know how to feel about that. And I think you like mix, I guess. Let's just put on the cap and shake it. Alright. So we have our drink. It's Kool-Aid. Let's. It smells like fruit punch. Let's have a sip. Ooh, yeah. Sugary. I don't eat a lot of sugar stuff that much, but that's hey. Cheez-Its are kind of weird, right? Like, if you think about it, they're just crackers that are made out of cheese. Kind of weird. But, I just have one. I know that people like Cheez-Its and stuff, but they're just weird. Yeah, like, no offense, but I don't know, they're just weird to me. And let's have the fruit roll-up. I remember these when I was little, too. These were pretty cool. I always liked looking at the patterns, because the patterns on the fruit roll-up were pretty cool to me. I was autistic. But here is the color of the fruit roll-up. It looks okay. Oh, that was so getting stuck in my teeth. Well, it's fine, but we're just gonna put that in there. Yeah, that was okay. And I gotta spit this out. This is horrible. I mean, great. Yeah, Fruit Loop, great. I just feel it in my teeth. I even went to the ortho today. Yeah. Alright. Let's get to the main course. This has been horrible already. I hate this. Please help. Let's get this out. Can you just keep open? Okay, thanks. sorry. Alright, now let's use just my phone's right here. Alright, that will not work. Let's use this really disgusting screwdriver. Alright, that works. Alright, let's open it. So there it is. In all its glory, it's a bit warped looking. It also feels pretty weird. I don't like that. Also, there's only just one, but at the same time, it's pretty big, so. Also, let's open this. I'm only having one bite, you know, because, I don't know. I'll just do one bite though. Let's use this again. We're not using that. That's disgusting. Well. Oh, here's a little thing to pull. Okay, so you just. Oh yeah, that's appetizing. Oh, that smell. Okay. Well, how about we use a Cool Ranch wrapper to, you know, spread it, you know, because, let's make it evenly spreaded. You could go over there. Okay, has its things. Here is the cheese and stuff. This looks. Oh, what is that smell? Wait. Oh my god, don't smell it. Cheese smells horrible. Also, pepperonis. Oh, I just dropped the pepperonis on my leg. No, the pepperonis. I'm not risking with that. The pepperonis smell horrible. Let's just use the cheese. Alright, I did it. I give. Okay, let's. Yes, throw that also in there. Okay. I give the Kool-Aid a 5. I give the Cheez-Its a 2. I give the Fruit Roll-Up a -1,000. And I give the pizza a -1,000,000. So, yeah. The clear winner is the extra cheese. Yeah. Thanks for watching. And I hope you have a great day. And, yeah. Bye. Oh, also, subscribe. Please. Subscribe for your boy. Okay. Bye.